Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Miele CM 6360 Milk Perfection. Big price difference right off the bat. The Philips is around $799, while the Miele is a whopping $2,799. Is it worth the extra money?
That's what we got to figure out. The Philips boasts 12 coffee varieties at the touch of a button and the LatteGo system for milk frothing, which they say cleans in like 15 seconds. It also has a ceramic grinder with 12 settings and is rated for 20,000 cups. Seems pretty decent.
Yeah, the Philips sounds convenient. But the Miele, it has some fancier features. It has one touch for two, so you can make 2 drinks at once. And it can store up to 8 individual user profiles, which is cool if you have multiple coffee drinkers in the house.
True, and the Miele is Wi-Fi compatible. I didn't even know that was a thing. It also has something called an aromatic system and a double shot function, and it can make tea.
Okay, Wi-Fi is a bit much for me. But the double shot is interesting. What about the grinder? Is it ceramic like the Philips?
It has an aroma-friendly conical grinder made of wear-resistant steel, not ceramic. The water tank is smaller too, 1.8 L compared to Philips, I think. But it does have a heated cup rest, which is a nice touch.
The Philips wins on grinder material and maybe ease of use with the LatteGo system. The Miele has more customization and features, like the profiles and one touch for 2. But that price tag, and the customer rating is a bit lower, only 3.3 stars compared to Philips 4.1. And there are more customer reviews for the Philips.
Good point. It looks like people are more satisfied with the Philips than the Miele.
I think for the average coffee lover, the Philips 5400 offers a lot of bang for your buck. The Miele is definitely for someone who wants all the bells and whistles, and is willing to pay a premium for it, and maybe needs to make 2 coffees at once often, and really wants to make tea too. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.